The markets did open stronger today, and there were some decent moves as well, as we say. Edward Borders with us. Ed, how'd it finish up?
Ross, market finished the day in positive territory. It started strongly, up about 0.6%, which lifted the market to a fresh 9-month high. Most sectors were in the green, led by materials, property, healthcare and telcos. The energy stocks, they were weaker. ASX 200 finished the day up about 0.3%. Medicine maker Mesoblast was a top performer after announcing it had resubmitted a licence application to the US Food and Drug Administration. Flight Centre, that jumped after resuming trading this morning. It was successfully raised $180 million to fund that takeover of the UK luxury travel company Scott Dunn. And online bookie PointsBet, that was higher too, up about 5%. And here's a small cap Aussie stock that soared this morning, AML 3D. It jumped 60% in early trade after announcing it had sold a 3D metal printer to the US Department of Defence, finished the day up about 31%. And the chief executive will join Ross a bit later in today's program. Turning to the worst performers, Clinuvel Pharmaceuticals dropped after a quarterly report earlier this week. It was the same story for the gold miners, Silver Lake and St Barbara, all being sold off. And a special mention for Commonwealth Bank. Its shares today briefly touched a record high of $110.81, but then it couldn't fully sustain those gains throughout the afternoon and finished up at about $110.15. And Ross, that is today's market update.
Thanks so much, Ed.